Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. If you're new here, my name is Harshika and today it's Saturday, it's weekend and I have to enjoy this day because it was a very long work week and today I'm going to a very interesting place and I know all my girlies are going to love it. Love, love, love. So I thought let's make a vlog, take you guys out with me and we'll explore a bit of Toronto and I'll also reveal where I am going real soon. Right now, I have to get ready, so I'll see you after I get ready. So, we're at the Union Station right now, and I really need to find a washroom because I had to run from my house to get the GO train to reach here, which is why I could not introduce the video again. So, let's find the washroom. So Union Station is one of the most beautiful stations in the heart of Toronto downtown. It connects you to all of the places around, which is Rogers Centre, CN Tower. If you want to go to the Ripley's Aquarium or the Convention Centre, this is the place you will land if you're coming from the suburbs or from any of the other regions that connect you to Toronto downtown. The architecture here is really beautiful, as you can see. It's a huge building. Now we have to go to the Eaton Center to reach the place that I am taking you all to, which is at Yonge and Dundas Square. And for that, we're going to take the subway from Union Station to Dundas. So we are at the Yonge Dundas Square, which I like to call Toronto's Times Square, and right there is the Toronto Eaton Center where we are going to go to the store which I have been awaiting to go to for like about 2 years now. So let's go. It's time for the big reveal and we are at the Shein pop-up store in Toronto. It's a trend. It is here for about a week or so. And the lineup today is really long. As you can see, we had to wait for like 45 minutes to get inside the store. And I think it would be worth it. The store is huge. They have a lot of collection here and I did get some things for myself and let's explore. So here is the jewelry section and I hope I find some like cute statement earrings for myself. It actually costs around only like $9 and it depends on your style if you want these things or not. So we're done shopping at Shein. I have my bag with me. It was a chaos here because the store is very busy and the lineup was also very long. The store got a bit disorganized because of I think the chaos and a lot of people coming in around again and again. And let's get out of the store now and I'll show you what I got when I reach home. Let's go. I'm really hungry right now, so let's look if we have a Chipotle here at Eaton Center or not. We don't have a Chipotle here. Oh my god. I don't know where I want to eat. Jimmy's? Maybe? Jimmy the Greek? We have Jimmy the Greek here. They have really cool Solvaki chicken, which is one of my favorites. We go down the elevator and... Okay. It's right in front of Fox Home. Let's go. The Eaton Center is really busy today and I don't like to be at the mall when it's super busy. But it's the weekend, so you can't say anything. And I had to come to the Shein pop-up store. And I didn't have any other day free for myself. So here we are. On a weekend, in downtown, just roaming around. So I'm finally back home. It's 8:45 in the night. So after having lunch at Jimmy's, we went to Zara because obviously I had to go. And I did get a lot of stuff from Zara as well. I'm going to show you guys what I got from Shein and from Zara. I was not able to record anything else because unfortunately, the connector, the little thing that you put in your phone's port to connect your Bluetooth mic, I lost it. I don't know how. It was connected to my phone and the phone was in my pocket. I think somehow I dropped it somewhere in the mall, but yeah, that happened. And I I have like watery eyes because I'm so tired right now. So this is the first dress that I got from Shein. It has a very vibrant color, this green color with white flowers all over the dress and a v-neck. It has this elastic waistband right above my waist, and it's a full length dress. It's not a calf length dress. It's like right above my I'm sorry I can't show you because of the camera angle, but it's right above my ankles and it looks really beautiful and elegant, and I just know exactly how I'm going to style it. This dress was for I think $19.60, which is like a pretty good price. The next thing that I got are these statement ear studs. Yeah, the packaging is really fine. I think these cost more because of the packaging. These are for like $9. They're golden color, and the whole structure yeah, focus. Yeah, the whole structure is a bit marble kind of thing going on. Let me wear it. Raining outside, that's why my hair got a little bit wet. But these are the studs. If you look at it, the structure, it's really good, and the build quality is fine. I mean, like fine as in like Shein quality. According to Shein, it's a good quality, but if you compare it with other stores like Claire's or something like that, then according to that, it's just fine. So this thing is of actually a really good quality in this stud. It's like rubbery and really strong. Maybe because the stud is really heavy in weight for the ears. The next thing that I got from Shein was these glasses. I actually wore them when I was making the vlogs standing in the store. So these are the glasses. Just ignore this thing. So I really like funky glasses. I've heard a lot of people say that, oh, you can't wear them on a regular basis. But I think I'm confident enough to wear them on a regular basis, even if I go to office or something like that. I'm very much comfortable wearing them outside, not only for my photo shoots or something like that. So these look really good, and I like the print that's going on. The combination is really good, and the quality is also good. Keeping in mind it's from Shein. This one was for like $5.60. And all in all, I spent around $38 at the store. I did not buy a lot of things because firstly, the store was a chaos. Literally, it was a chaos. There were a lot of people coming in, and it was quite evident because there was a 45-minute lineup outside and you had to wait for your turn and everything. So the things were going out really fast. I don't know if they put in new stock every morning. I hope they do, but I was not able to make a lot of choice when I was there. But these were the top 3 things which, according to me, were fine in terms of buying something from Shein. I don't usually buy clothes from Shein. I avoid buying clothes from Shein because I just don't like the quality. Because for me, the quality of the cloth that I'm wearing matters a lot. And if it fades away, or if the fabric gets worn out real easily after 2 or 3 washes, I would not go for that brand anymore. They had this offer going on at the store that if you spent around $29, then you would get a free gift. So I had spent like $38, I think 38 or $39 on the 3 items that I just showed you. So they presented me 3 gifts that I could have absolutely free. One was a microfiber towel, then there was a scrunchie which had Shein written on it, and then there was one more thing, I don't remember it. It was a bracelet or something like that. So out of the three things, I thought the microfiber towel is the most useful thing that I can use. So this is what I got. It's in blue color. It's really soft, and I think I can use it at home for I don't know what, but I'll have to think about it. My bedroom is a mess right now. Just ignore it. Like, ignore it. So the next thing that I got is this very beautiful navy blue top from Zara. It's got this collar, and I love these collars. Cute embroidery thing going on near the edges of the collar. Same thing on the arms. Looks very beautiful. It's a navy blue top. I know I will wear it with my casual fits as well as my office fits. The next thing that I got is this pair of jeans, again from Zara. This is also very good. These days I'm all about mom fit jeans. I had my wide leg jeans era, I had my skinny legs jeans era. Now I'm in my mom fit jeans era. So these look really good. I am sure I'm going to wear them to my office as well, because why not? The next thing that I got is this white shirt. As you can see, this is again from Zara. It has this lace thing around the sleeve, the collar, and the base of the shirt. This looks really good, and it goes well with these blue denims. The next thing that I got is this very beautiful dress. It's giving a yellowish, creamish kind of color, and it has these flowers made out of cloth all over the breast part. This is how it looks, and it has buttons all over the dress down till here, and it has a rope thing that you tie around your waist. See this? Yeah, again, looks like an Egyptian thing, and I love these type of clothes. Also, I got a pair of these platform shoes, again from Zara. They are in the same shade that the dress that I'm wearing. It's kind of beige with cream color, and these look really good. I know I can wear them to office. Even I can try to wear these shoes with this dress that I have, and I have some other dresses of the same color scheme, and these will look really good, because white shoes, they don't go with these kind of colors. So I needed something in my wardrobe which would go with beige or, you know, cream, something like that. So I got these shoes. Okay, all right. So these are all the things that I got today. It was a really fun day, a really hectic one though, but I really loved it. I love shopping, and spending my days shopping makes me very, very happy. Anyways, so I'll try to link all the products that I got today in the description box. I'll try, because I have some stuff from Shein as well. I am not sure if I will be able to find them online, but still, I will try only for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, do like it and comment down what outfit or what dress or what accessory that I got is one of your favorites. And if you have any questions, do reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. Do it. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!